This video demonstrates the generative approach to implementation of undo functionality in a web application front-end. There is an already developed application named Makoko that is a multi-user web application which focuses on finances, staff, and project organization, and there was need to expand the application controller to support undo or redo functionality and create a component through which the user will interact with the new functionality. The Makoko project is based on the command pattern. It was specifically conceived here to unify the process of exchanging information between the client and the server. After all, the same command is represented on both parts of the product, which will clearly reduce the risk of errors and communication problems. During the system exploration, it was found out that all components of the system use Command Manager, and the easiest way to track everything that happens in the system is to put command state between Command Manager and Command REST service. The command state is responsible for saving all commands that are executed on the front end when sending commands to the server. To implement the storage of commands on the front end, the NGRX framework was used. The communication between the UI and the store is next. Component dispatches some action, then reducer decides update the command state or not, and to get the new state, UI uses selectors to get the needed portion of information. Then the user interface component was implemented. It was placed in the header part of the Makoko, and it looks like this. This component has two modes. One mode displays all the commands that were performed on this particular component, and another mode shows the whole history of commands that were performed during that session. There is a possibility to filter, and the table shows that this command can be undone. Also, the additional information is there. And in the all history mode, we are grouping the origins of the commands to understand where it was done. We can perform multiple selection of the commands and then also multiple undo. User can perform multiple undo or redo only on the same types of actions. For example, now we have selected two undo commands, and that's why we can do undo. As an example of the undo redo actions, we will delete the one booking from the table. So this booking has been deleted. And we see it appeared here. And now we are performing undo. And now we see that booking has appeared in the table again. And now the command booking delete is crossed because we have undone this command. The user also has the possibility to redo this command again if it will be needed.